How to message shop manager on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send a message to a shop manager on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. For example, I'm now looking for some product, or for example I like let's see, for example I'm now seeing product. I like those glasses. All I need to do to talk with the shop manager is click on details and click on message global their names, and click on it and send them a message. Ask about his product and like the price, if you have a problem and anything, and click on send. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.